Hey everyone, hope y'all are doing well, hope everyone's staying safe out there. So I did a video a while back talking about Craftsman padlocks, and I had a really old one and then a slightly newer one that I think was a 50mm if I'm not mistaken. But I picked those, and in that video I mentioned that I had a smaller one that I couldn't find, and I finally found it. And then I actually ended up finding the keys for it as well. So, unlike the other one, this one is a 4-pinner, not a 5-pinner. It's got the same keyway as the larger one, but just a bit smaller. And I think that's a master style keyway, but I don't think I don't think these are made by Master, just because they are way better than the Master locks. But who knows, they might be. It's the same keyway as like a Master 150. But these have all spool pins in them. And like the other one, it's the spools are too deep to just get normal counter rotation on, so you do have to like let off tension to allow the spool to start giving you a bit of counter rotation, which makes them difficult to pick. So you let off until you find where the counter rotation point is. And you can pick past it. I may have either overset or underset that pin again. Yeah. There we go. But yeah, definitely a decent little padlock. I love these things. Craftsman locks have always been great quality. The super old ones were the Abus granites before you could get Abus granites in the US. These, I don't know who makes them, but they might be Master, but I would be surprised because of how nice they are. But who knows? Anyway, it's unfortunate you can't get these anymore, but I'm glad I have a few, and I will be picking them up as I find more. So, alright all, take care, have a great one, see you on the next one, bye.